Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal with another rendition of Thoughts from the Sauna. Now, it's been a little while since I put a video out from Thoughts from the Sauna, and I've just been like busy, like crazy, um, and just blessed about it because I mean there's so many people that aren't working during these times, but I just wanted to kind of review something. I read this book years and years ago. It was by Robert Allen, and it was called Multiple Streams of Income. And believe it or not, I think I picked it up at Staples, and it was like one of those books on sale for like $4.99 or something like that. You can buy it on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. And I even think that now he's got an audio book version of it, and I'm like, I love audiobooks. But anyway, in his book, it basically kind of spelled out that people aren't going to be able to make a decent living on one or two incomes, like a husband and wife just working two jobs. It's not going to be enough moving in the future. And back then, I'm like, yeah, I don't know. I was making a decent wage as an employee for somebody. My wife wasn't working, and we were making ends meet. But as time went on, it did get harder and harder. And I think it's just because, like, you have cable, you have internet, you have now you have all these streaming services like Disney Plus and CBS and just countless services out there. Even if you like cut the cord like they tell you on your cable bill, you still have to have internet, high speed internet. And then now you have to have all these little avenues of streaming video. But anyway, off the subject a little bit, but multiple streams of income. In his book, he just basically says, uh, you know, work a job, great. You got that one stream of income, but if you ever get laid off or you retire, that stream of income is basically it's gone. So he outlines having different businesses, and Robert Allen's famous for doing the I think $24,000 in 24 hours. No Money Down. He's done all those type of different books and presentations, but his multiple streams is like really what caught my attention. Basically, because he basically says you don't have one business, you don't have two, you have three, you have multiple streams of income. So what I've kind of replicated from this book that I read like 25 years ago was that um, you have to design a lifestyle that you can be free to and creative to create these other streams of income. Like, give you an example. Like, I wrote a couple books, and every month I get royalties from these book sales. So, boom, that's one stream of income. Two YouTube videos. I've made a lot of YouTube videos, like 400 plus and counting from this recording. So like that's two. Then I started basically a private garage out of kind of like accident, which I've told people before. I put a lift in my garage, built a huge garage. It's more of a barn, to basically repair family vehicles. But then through word of mouth, that spread. Now, like, I'm a private mechanic, so that's three. The milk business, milk delivery business. That's stream of income number four. And just like that, we started a small mail order company selling different products that we actually show on YouTube. So that's business number like five. And counting, and there's just like countless things going on. And I'm going to be releasing probably like a small financial series. I have a financial book out there, and that's going to be another business onto its own. But anyway, don't get yourself locked into thinking that you have to be an employee or you have to have one business. Work on having multiple streams of income. I'll leave the link to Robert's book below, but it's absolutely fantastic. It kind of is timeless, even though when it was written, a lot of the numbers and stuff are not going to jive or make sense to nowadays. But you can just interpret it to the message that's in the book. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and subscribing as always, and just thank you for watching. I appreciate it, and I will share as much knowledge. I'm here to help. That's my ongoing message. Here to help. Anyway, be safe out there, guys.